Here we want to find the limit of the expression the square root of x plus 2 minus 3 divided by x minus 7 as x approaches 7. And so we let x be 7, and then we get 7 plus 2, which is the square root of 9, which is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then if we let x approach 7, then 7 minus 7 is 0. So we end up with 0 divided by 0, which is undefined. And here's the graph of the function, the square root of x plus 2 minus 3 divided by x minus 7. And we want to let x approach 7. So 7 is right here. And it doesn't look like it's undefined at 7. It doesn't look like the limit is undefined at 7. The function is undefined at when x is equal to 7. It doesn't look like the limit from the left and limit from the right. They don't look like, it looks like the limit does exist. So let's see if we can show that the limit does exist. So for this type of problem, what we want to do is this. Multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of this. And the conjugate is just changing the minus sign to the plus. So the conjugate of the square root of x plus 2 minus 3 is the square root of x plus 2 plus 3. And then we can multiply these together. And again, if we have the difference of two squares, like this, recall that this is just a squared minus b squared. And so just square the first and then minus square the second. This is called the difference of two squares. And so this is similar. This is just like the difference of two squares right here. So the a is like the square root of x plus 2, and then the b is just like 3. And so here we're just going to square the first minus square the second. So it'll be square the square root of x plus 2, and then minus square the second. And recorded the square root of an expression and then square, then we just get the expression. So square root of x squared, we just get x, square root of a squared, we just get a, and so on. And then minus 9. And this would be x minus 7. So this will equal, for the top, we just get x minus 7. And then the bottom here, we'll get x minus 7 times, and we can put these factors in parentheses so we can see it clearer. And so here we have x minus 7 divided by x minus 7, that's just 1. And then what's left in the bottom is just this factor right here. So x minus 7 divided by x minus 7 is 1. And then now we let x approach 7. And then here we get 7 plus 2, which is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the limit is 1/6. And here's the graph again. X is approaching 7. 7 is right here. So that's about 1/6.